Our pneumatic diesel bleeding kit enables fast, effective bleeding and priming of diesel fuel systems after a filter change, or whenever the fuel system has been opened for service or repair, perhaps after misfueling. Connectors and adapters are included which fit many common fuel systems. We shall also demonstrate our new fuel line blank set, which seals off disconnected pipes and considerably speeds up the job in hand. We're going to change this fuel filter, so pop the blanks straight into the pipe connectors and there's no spillage and no mess. Male and female connectors are supplied in 3 different sizes. Once the new fuel filter has been placed in position, it's a simple task to disconnect the blanks and reconnect the fuel pipes straight onto the filter. Now to bleed the fuel back through the system and prime the new filter. We now use the pneumatic brake and fluid bleeder, which can be purchased separately or is included with the 7184 kit. First, fit the clear disclosure pipe. This easily lets us see when the diesel fuel has been bled through. Connect up to the workshop compressed air supply, then straight onto the fuel filter. Compressed air provides a strong vacuum, which pulls the fuel through from the tank. Wait a few seconds for this large fuel filter to fill up. Then, when the fuel flows clear of bubbles, the job is done. All that remains is to reconnect the engine fuel pipe, replace any items moved for access, and start up the engine. The vacuum pneumatic system offers a significant time saving over hand pump methods. Speed up these time-consuming jobs with laser tools.